Happy morning, my dear students. Welcome to Sheba Group of School online class. Hope that you are all fit and fine at home. Students, today our subject is English and we are going to write our English revision. Are you all ready for the class, children? Students, take your revision note. Your revision note is 192 pages long size rule note. 192 pages long size rule note. Students, take a new fresh page in your revision notes and start writing. Before start writing, sharpen your pencil properly. Take your eraser in your hands and start to write. Okay, students. First Roman letter, opposites. First Roman letter, opposites. Opposites means what, ma? Edirchol. Write the serial numbers inside the margin. Number 1, slow, fast. The opposite of slow is fast. F-A-S-T, fast. Slow na enaduma meduvaga, fast na vegamaga. Now after writing the first one, have to leave one line and write the second one. Few, many. Few, many. The opposite of few is many. M-A-N-Y, many. Few na enaduma kuraivaga, many na adhigamaga. After finishing the second one, again you have to leave one line and start the third one. Near, far. The opposite of near is far. F-A-R, far. Near na enaduma pakkathula, far na doorathula. Next, fourth one. Start, stop. Start, stop. The opposite of start is stop. S-T-O-P, stop. Start na ஆரம்பிக்கிறது, stop na நிறுத்துறது. The fifth one, big, small. Big, small. The opposite of big is small. S-M-A-L-L, small. Big na என்னதுமா பெரியது, small na சிறியது. Okay, students, while writing you have to spell the word and write with a neat good handwriting. Let me once again repeat the opposites. Slow, fast, few, many, near, far, start, stop, big, small. After finishing the second, you have to write the second Roman letter, singular, plural. Singular, plural. Singular na what, ma? Just one. Unne one. Plural na onnuku mele. Okay, ma? First one, plate, plates. The plural of plate is plates. You have to add yes to make it a plural. You have to add yes to make it a plural. Plate, plates. P-L-A-T-E-S, plates. Number 2, bun, buns. Bun, buns. You have to add yes. B-U-N-S, buns. Number 3, rat, rats. Rat, rats. You are going to add yes to make it a plural. R-A-T-S, rats. Fourth one, drum, drums. Drum, drums. D-R-U-M-S, drums. Fifth one, girl, girls. You have to add yes. G-I-R-L-S, girls. Girl, girls. Third Roman letter, memory poem. Third Roman letter, memory poem. The heading of the poem is 5 Little Bells. 5 Little Bells. You have already learned the poem. Now we are going to once again revise it. Okay, students. 5 little bells hanging in a row. The first one said, "Ring me slow." The second one said, "Ring me fast." Let me once again read it out. 5 little bells hanging in a row. The first one said, "Ring me slow." The second one said, "Ring me fast." After finishing the third Roman letter, you are going to write the fourth Roman letter, Circle the pronouns in the sentences. Circle the pronouns in the sentences. First one. Sazia is playing tennis. She is good at it. Sazia is playing tennis. She is good at it. What is the pronoun in the sentence, ma? Yes, she is the pronoun because it refers to Sazia. As Sazia is a girl, here we are written it as she. So, she is the pronoun here and we are going to circle she. Okay, students. Next one. The book is new. It is a gift from uncle. The book is new. It is a gift from uncle. What is the pronoun in this sentence? Yes, it is a pronoun because it refers to book. So, you have to circle it. Circle it. Okay, students. Third one. Pari and I are busy. We are doing the homework. Here, we is the pronoun because we refers to Pari and I. So, we is the pronoun. We are going to circle we in this sentence. Okay, students. Fourth one. I am Karthik. I play computer games. I am Karthik. I play computer games. Here, I is the pronoun because I refers to Karthik. So, we are going to circle I. Circle I has the pronoun. Okay, students. Fifth one. The sun is about to set. It looks like a big orange ball. Here, what is the pronoun in the sentence? Yes, it is the pronoun because it refers the sun. So, you have to circle it. Okay, students. After finishing the fourth one, you are going to write the fifth Roman letter, question and answer. Write the heading, question and answer and start writing the first question. What did Malar play? Question mark. What did Malar play? You have to keep finger space between each word and write. Start with a capital letter. Okay, students. Next, after writing the question, you have to leave one line and write the answer. Keep 2 finger space gap and start writing the answer. Malar played keyboard. Malar played keyboard. யாரு keyboard play பண்ணாங்க? மலர் தான் keyboard play பண்ணாங்க. Who played the keyboard here? Malar only played the keyboard. That is the answer. Okay, students. Now I am going to spell the word. Spell the word along with me. Malar, M-A-L-A-R, Malar. Played, P-L-A-Y-E-D, played. Keyboard, K-E-Y, keyboard, B-O-A-R-D, board. Keep a full stop and end the sentence. After finishing the first question answer, you have to write the second one. Who played the violin? Who played the violin? Violin yaar play pannadu? The answer. Keep 2 finger space gap and write. Abu played the violin. Abu da violin play panna. That is the answer. Now I am going to spell the word. Spell along with me and write. A-B-U, Abu, played. P-L-A-Y-E-D, played. The, T-H-E, the, violin. V-I-O-L-I-N, violin, and with a full stop. Okay, students, now we are going to write the third one. Who jumped off the plate? Who jumped off the plate? Question mark. Yaru plate out jump pannadu? Answer. Keep 2 finger space gap and write the answer. One bun jumped off the plate. One bun jumped off the plate. Full stop. Oru bun plate uttu gudichi veliya vandadu. Adha answer. Okay, students. Now I am going to spell in You are going to spell along with me and write. 1. O-N-E, one. Bun. B-U-N, bun. Jumped. J-U-M-P-E-D, jumped. Off. O-F-F, off. The. T-H-E, the. Plate. P-L-A-T-E, plate. End with a full stop. After writing the third one, write the fourth one. Who all ran after the bun? Who all ran after the bun? Question mark. யாரெல்லாம் பன்னு பின்னாடி ஓடுனது? Answer. Pig, comma, rat, comma, goat, comma, pup and frog. Full stop. யாரெல்லாம் பன்னு பின்னாடி ஓடுனது? Pig, rat, goat, pup and frog தான் பன் பின்னாடி ஓடுனது. Pig na பன்றி, rat na எலி, goat na ஆடு, pup na நாய்க்குட்டி, frog na தவளை. Okay students, now I am going to spell it. You are going to spell along with me and write the answer. Pig, P-I-G, pig. Rat, R-A-T, rat. Goat, G-O-A-T, goat. Pup, P-U-P, pup. And, A-N-D, and. Frog, F-R-O-G, frog. Full stop. Okay students, after finishing the fourth one, write the fifth one. Who finally ate the bun? Who finally ate the bun? Question mark. யாரு கடைசில பன்ன சாப்பிட்டது? Answer. The fox finally ate the bun. The fox finally ate the bun. Full stop. நரி தான் ஃபைனலா பன்ன சாப்பிட்டுச்சு. That is the answer. Now spell the word and write. The, T-H-E, the. Fox, F-O-X, fox. Finally, F-I-N-A-L-L-Y, finally, ate, A-T-E, ate. The, T-H-E, the. Bun, B-U-N, bun. Full stop. After finishing the question answer, you have to put the parent sign. You must get the sign from your parents. Students, go through the revision properly and learn the revision properly. Okay students, write with good neat handwriting. Meet you all in the next class. Thank you children.